Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna draw a Halloween panda. It's gonna be coming out of a pumpkin. So, all right, let's get started. Okay. First thing I'm gonna do is draw the panda, and I'm gonna draw a curved line here for the top of the head. All right. Gonna go down here, and I'm gonna zigzag line to make it look furry. Curve around here. Curve around here. Down here. Okay, so that's gonna be the general shape of the head. I'm gonna go over here, do the ear, over here, do the other ear, curve over here, curve over here. Then circle here for kind of the pattern of that eye. Circle over here for the pattern of this eye. And then I'm going to draw a circle here for this eye. This eye, it's the mouth, sorry. I'm going to draw a circle over here. Circle over here. And I'm going to fill in the outer edge because that's the panda way. Well, that's the panda pattern pretty much. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button if you like getting a little bit of Halloween cheer every day. Hit that subscribe. I'm going to, it's going to help out a lot. Like a home plate shape for the nose, which basically it's a downward facing triangle. Down, line across. I think it looks cute. Curve for one hand here, curve for the other hand. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to fill in the ear first, the outer ear, because pandas have this black and white pattern, and I think it's kind of important to note that. And then I'm going to fill in the hands over here. Okay, so I got the panda so far. Now we're going to draw the pumpkin. I'm going to go over here, curve for the outside of the pumpkin, curve for the outside of the pumpkin. And I'm going to draw the bottom part with rivets in it like this, like little bumpy stuff, so that it's like, you know, obvious that it's the pumpkin shape. Line over here for an eye. Line over here for the other eye. Triangle here for the center of that face, of the jack-o'-lantern face. And I'm going to go over here and draw a straight up zigzag line for the mouth, because I think it looks cool when it's like that, when it's like big smile, right, from it. I think it's a big smile. I love that stuff. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to thicken out that smile. I want it to look bigger, like somebody actually cut the hole in the pumpkin like thicker than it is. Hopefully you're having a good Halloween. What is your outfit going to be this year? I don't know what mine's going to be, so I'm going to have to figure that out on my own. I have no clue what my outfit's going to be like. I will have to certainly think about that. All right. Got that smile there. I might actually grow the eyes a bit. I think the eyes need to be bigger. Now let's throw some lines here, 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 here. And then I'm going to draw thicker lines around the outside of the panda's head. So right here, I'm going to draw a thicker line, kind of to make it look more unified, you know? Like so, down, curve over here. And what you could do as an extra, because we're pretty much done, as an extra you could draw like little grass around here. I like doing that to put it in like a setting, right? And all it is these little zigzag shapes, right? Like it's out in the grass or something like that. I love doing that. And let's put a fence out there, right? You've seen me do that before. Just put these sticks going straight up. Sticks going straight up. And then you throw a line across. And then if you really want, you can draw like a little cloud in the back. And then a circle. Like so. And you can draw maybe a cloud on this other side as well. Just kind of make it look more natural, like he's just sitting out there chilling in that pumpkin. Like, what's he doing out there in that pumpkin? I don't know. I don't know, but it looks like he's in deep thought. Just kind of enjoying the day, you know, or the night. It's probably night, right? He's probably sitting in a graveyard or something. But I love that stuff. So thank you so much. I appreciate you staying to this point. If you stayed to this point, congrats. Almost nobody ever stays to this point in any YouTube video ever. So congrats. And I want to, say thank you for supporting the channel. If you want to support the channel even more, you can donate. I believe there's a PayPal link in the bottom. All that goes to the channel. Like it goes to the art supplies, it goes to the editing, it goes to music, stuff like that. But that's down there. Another way to support the channel without doing that is share the video. If you share it anywhere, a couple of things happen. One, you bring the Halloween spirit. You press share button on the bottom right hand corner. You share it to Twitter. And it just brings back a cool amount of people. It brings back cool people in general that end up being people I talk to on the comments section. So thank you so much. I need you to keep practicing and stay spooky.